Alright, so I just recently got this new scooter and I like it a lot. It is so much more powerful than other scooters that I've used. It's got several good features to it. One, it does come with a key, so you can very easily make sure other people don't steal it just by taking the key out. Simply turn it into the on position, and then you can turn it on by holding the power button. And then you have this little display here. I have it in third gear right now, but you can also go down to first gear so that you have a lower top speed. Second gear is kind of in the middle, and then third gear you can go all the way up to 45 kilometers per hour, which is like 28 miles per hour. So that really gives you a lot of speed there. You're going to use this trigger here to actually go. I don't want to do that right now because it is on. But yeah, you hold that trigger there to throttle, and then here's your brake on your right side, and you have a brake on the left side as well. You do have this here, it turns on your headlights, and it is reasonably bright. You have also a horn, which is reasonably loud. You have a left and a right turn signal, so that can be helpful as well. Lots of good things going on in the handles. You have a kickstand here at the bottom, so that can be helpful in making it stand up on its own when you're not using it. Here's the headlight. Like I said, pretty good at nighttime. And you definitely have some speed on this thing. Like, I have my drone following me on this thing. I have a DJI Neo, and it couldn't keep up when I had it in the highest setting. It's pretty good. One thing that I wish was just a little bit different is that it has several of these connectors here. I would prefer that they were connected just a little bit different because they just slide into each other. So if you're going to do a lot of bouncing around on this scooter, you might want to like put some tape around it so that these connections are more secure. I saw some reviews saying that these things weren't necessarily secured to the thing, but they do provide Allen wrenches and things, so you can very easily tighten everything up so that everything is tight and secure. Both this mechanism here and also this whole mechanism over here. It did take a little bit of installation just to get everything, secured and where it needed to go. But yeah, this is a really fun, really good, high quality scooter. I really like it.